Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Danish pastry. First, combine your dry ingredients with milk to create a soft dough. Knead it gently until smooth, then let it rest in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. While the dough chills, prepare your butter block. It should be roughly 6 by 8 inches and pliable, but still cold, which is crucial for the lamination process. This initial step sets the foundation for those wonderful, flaky layers we all love in a Danish pastry. Now let's master the lamination. Roll your dough into a rectangle, then place the prepared butter block in the center, folding the dough over to completely encase it. Seal the edges tightly. You'll perform 3 single folds, also known as letter folds. After each fold, roll the dough to about 1/4 inch thickness, then chill it for 30 minutes. This repeated rolling and chilling process is what creates hundreds of delicate, buttery layers in your Danish pastry. With your beautifully laminated dough, it's time for shaping and filling. Roll the dough out to 1/8 of an inch thickness. You can cut it into 3 by 3 inch squares for classic Danish shapes or 2 by 6 inch rectangles for braids or twists. Now add your favorite filling. Cream cheese, fruit preserves, or a rich almond paste are all fantastic choices. Carefully fold and shape your pastries, ensuring the filling is securely enclosed. Get creative with your designs. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpieces. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For a beautiful golden brown finish, brush your shaped pastries with an egg wash before they go into the oven. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are puffed and deeply golden. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack. For the perfect finishing touch, drizzle them with a simple powdered sugar glaze. Enjoy your homemade, flaky Danish pastries.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.